Oh, honey. You know, everything.
Roscoe read us the phone message from Dr. DeFreeze.
And Inga and I heard you talking to him on the phone. Oh, Bambi.
Bambi, is there anything that we can do?
Well, how'd the test come out?
Oh, you even know that. I'm so humiliated. I could die.
You could?
I didn't want you to know. I was so proud. I was keeping my very first secret. I could die.
You could?
Oh, I just have no future. Oh, no. I'll be a has-been before I even get to be a was. Come in.
Maybe I'll come back when the party's over.
Mel, can't you see we're in mourning?
What? I got a note for Bambi from Dr. DeFreeze.
What?
Get a second opinion. You should always get a second opinion. Shot. It's the first phase.
Bambi, what does he say?
Biology 75, Algebra 65, English 70, Social Studies 70, and Geography 75. I did it! I did it! I'm a high school graduate! I'm a high school graduate! Give me a B! Give me an M! Give me another B!
What is this? You're not going to kick the bucket? You don't have some incurable disease or anything?
Well, sometimes I get little blossoms right here.
Bambi, we thought that... Well, who's Dr. DeFreeze?
My tutor.
What?
Who's tutoring me, you know, like coaching, so I could get my diploma. You know, high school equivalency diploma. You know. You don't know. Go on. Well, I never graduated from high school. I know I'm not going to be a showgirl forever, am I? No. A girl's got to have something to fall back on. And I couldn't get a job without a diploma.
She couldn't get a job without a diploma.
Bambi, we thought that...
Julie, don't say it. We all know what we thought, but nobody wants to hear the words. Bambi, congratulations.
Oh, thanks.
Enjoy the flowers.
15 minutes, please. Ladies and gentlemen, 15 minutes.
Congratulations. And welcome back to the land of the living. What a great show.
It's really beautiful.
What was that all about, anyway?
Oh, we love you, Bambi.
We love you. Thanks,
Bambi, you know that beaded bag I let you have yesterday?
And the bracelet I gave you on Wednesday?
Yeah.
Just a loaner. I could afford one of your own.